In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to Trello. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into both your Jotform and Trello accounts and that you have permission to access the Trello boards you plan to use. This connection lets Jotform send form submissions into Trello, so you can keep everything organized in your project workflow with less manual work. Start in Jotform by heading to My Forms. This is where all your forms are listed. Click the form you want to connect, the one that should send data to Trello. Once it's highlighted, look toward the top and open the Settings tab. Settings is where Jotform keeps all the controls that affect how your form behaves behind the scenes, including integrations. On the left sidebar inside Settings, click Integrations. You'll see a gallery of apps you can connect to. In the search bar, type Trello, then select the Trello integration from the results. If you don't see it right away, double-check your spelling and make sure you're on the correct form. Selecting the Trello integration brings you to the connection screen where you'll link your Trello account. Next, click Authenticate. A Trello login window will appear. Sign into your Trello account if you're not already signed in. If your organization uses multiple workspaces or if you manage more than one Trello account, confirm that you're logging into the correct one. After logging in, you'll be prompted to allow Jotform access to your Trello boards. Review the permissions, then click to allow. This permission is necessary so Jotform can create or update Trello items based on your form submissions. If a pop-up blocker prevents the login window from opening, temporarily allow pop-ups for Jotform, then try again. Once access is granted, the accounts are connected. You've successfully authenticated Trello within the Jotform integration. From here, Jotform recognizes your Trello account, and you're ready to continue configuring how your form will pass information into Trello. If at any time you need to change accounts, you can return to this integration screen and re-authenticate. A quick recap. Open your form from My Forms, go to Settings, open Integrations, search and select Trello, click Authenticate, log into Trello, and allow Jotform access. If you run into issues, verify you have the right Trello permissions, ensure you're on the intended account, allow pop-ups, and try a quick browser refresh. That's all there is to connecting Jotform to Trello. Thanks for watching and enjoy streamlining your workflow.